हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम। स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस चैनल पे एंड फॉर द गेट कॉम्पैक्ट एग्जाम। आई नो दैट फॉर द लास्ट few weeks there's a gate compact exam happening, but this time it's much interactive and it is now into a scholarship exam. तो आप लोगों को एक्सेस मिलेगा, you'll have a chance to use all your unacademy classes and the plus classes provided you're successful in this exam. We also know that exams are slightly boring, not interesting to write, but certainly not the gate compact exam because it's in the gaming style. Different levels, आगे बढ़ेंगे आप, different prizes for winning this exam. So obviously I hope it should be very interesting format. तो स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस एग्जाम के लिए, which is on 28th for electrical and EC students. 28th February, most happening in Unacademy now is the gate compact exam. Let's see the format, see the questions, and see how you're supposed to go forward. See the way you're going to move forward. It's created by the best of the best team of the Unacademy faculty. We creating the questions from the teacher side, we maintain the quality. तो हमारी कोशिश यही रहेगी कि बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट क्वेश्चंस हो, and it is also easy for you to attempt it. It's not that it's going to be a bouncer for you, it's certainly going to be in your standards. And so therefore students, do write this exam and please win for yourself the Unacademy scholarships, Apple iPods and different things. So welcome to this exam students, welcome to the format, welcome to the gaming style. Very live interactive board in front of you. आपके सामने एकदम बेहतरीन इंटरेक्टिव बोर्ड होगा जिसमें आपको हर दिन दिखेगा आपकी पोजीशन क्या है, हर क्वेश्चन के बाद दिखेगा आपकी सिचुएशन क्या है, कितनी आपकी चांसेस है विन करने का. So with this interactive board and with everything students, welcome to this gate compact exam. And don't forget to take it live students, because it's only when you live write it live you have all the chances to participate in it. No doubt students, the interactiveness increases only in the live classes, so does writing the exam live. So do write it live students and welcome to this exam compact 20th February. Don't forget the date. And the most important thing, you have all the solutions available here. That means the solutions will be in the video solutions where we teachers give you explaining how the question has to be attempted. What are the critical steps in it? It's not a written solution thrown on your just laptop. It's a step-by-step procedure that is explained, making it very interesting. So do go for this exam students. Don't forget the date on 28th February. That's where you can see your performance. You can see everything about yourself, at what level you're in. That's where the exam is. So Unacademy Compact, enroll now. Use my code VSRS22. And surely for the first time user, you have to enter this code for the free classes or for the subscription. So use my code VSRS22, enroll now. That's the gate compact exam for ESE also. Morning 11 o'clock, 20th February. Don't forget it. So see the prizes that you got here. First 3 ranks, complimentary Unacademy subscription for the tenure of your choice, whatever period you want it for. First 3 ranks, 4 to 10 ranks, 70% off, 75% off, again for the required duration. Obviously, we go for 2 years, 1 year, 3 months, whatever you're going for. Then comes 50% off, then 25% off, depending on your choice of the tenure or the duration. Where the tenure choice has got even up to 2 years. आप चाहे तो 2 साल तक भी, आप चाहे तो 2 years तक, even 2 साल तक, आप चाहे तो you can set your duration. Only thing is the remaining 50% you have to pay if you're in this rank. Remaining 25% if you have to pay if you're in this rank. But if you're in the first 3 ranks, totally complimentary. So obviously you'll go for the 2-year subscription. That's the style, that's the pattern of the prizes that you got students. So obviously I hope you enjoyed. And the format of the competition is very clear. 15 questions. सिर्फ 15 questions answer करना है. 65 minutes time. And each question will take you to the next level. So five branches you got, 5 streams. And it's purely relative. You may even answer only 5 questions and get into the top first 3 ranks, provided the other people have not performed. So totally relative in all the 5 branches, and of course 15 questions, 65 minutes, purely the gaming style. It's not the boring gate exam style where you got to write 55 questions and wait for 3 hours. Just 65 minutes, 15 questions, just go forward, win it. I hope you understand the format, students. I hope you understand its uniqueness. And if you can also use my alternate code VSRS Live, enroll in the Unacademy learning app, download it from the Google Play Store, and after you download it, you can use my code for the free access. So that's where I hope you understand the way of using this test series. I hope you understand the way of using this examiner, how to enroll for the exam. Download the Unacademy learning app, use my code, because the code is mandatory for the first time users. If you're a first time user, the code is mandatory and you have to use it. So that's how things work out, students. Google Play में जाइए, download कीजिए Unacademy learning app and format 15 questions, 65 minutes. Prices unbeatable. Generally you pay for test series. Here it's exactly opposite. आप लोग 1000-2000 पे करते हो टेस्ट सीरीज के लिए. Unacademy is different. They give you the money and the prizes for writing the test series. So that's your test series in front of you. That's your ranks. Up to 100 rank, you got a wide chance. It's a scholarship exam. Obviously, you have got these prizes. It's a scholarship exam. So do enroll. Use my code 28th February, 11th a.m. and find yourself on the leaderboard. Find yourself in your relative performance, how you stand, where you stand. And of course, most importantly, students, the solutions are completely video solutions, and you know the step-by-step approach of how things are working out. You know how the actual pattern is going and how the teacher is solving it. The style of the teacher will be understanding it. So do enroll, students. Unacademy Compact. See you on the exam. 28th February morning 11. Electrical and DC students, get ready for it. Thank you. Bye, students.